Learn English through story. My grandparents' house. My grandparents live in a big house. There's a kitchen, a hall, a big living room, a bedroom, and a bathroom downstairs. There are five bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. My grandparents' bedroom is the biggest room in the house. There a big bed, a wardrobe, a table, and a bookcase in the room. There's a beautiful carpet on the floor. The most popular room in the living room. When we visit our grandparents, we have dinner in the living room. We watch TV, dance, sing songs, and play different board games there. There's a sofa, a TV set, two armchairs in the living room. My granny likes her garden. There are a lot of beautiful flowers and trees in the garden. My grand's house is so beautiful. Next story. My friends. I'm Aki. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Japan. I have got two friends. Their names are Tim and Lucy. Tim is 11 years old. He's from England. Tim is a boy. He's got blue eyes, short dark hair, and a little nose. Tim is a clever and funny, but sometimes he is naughty. Lucy is 10 years old. She is from America. Lucy is a short hair. She's got big blue eyes, long fair hair, a little nose, and a little mouth. Lucy is nice and kind. She is a very beautiful girl. We usually play together after school. I love my friends. Next story. Tom's Day Off. This is Tom. He is 12 years old. On his day off, Tom usually gets up at 10 o'clock. He washes his hands and face, gets dressed, and has breakfast. Tom has a porridge and tea for breakfast. After breakfast, he helps his mom. He watches TV with his dad. In the afternoon, Tom usually goes to the swimming pool. Tom goes there with his brother. They can swim very well. They also play volleyball there. It is great. In the evening, Tom goes for a walk and feeds his dog. He has dinner, plays computer games, reads books, and watches TV. Then he goes to bed. Next story. My clothes. My name is Anna. I'm American. My hobby is shopping. When I'm in the school, I usually wear uniform. My uniform is a white blouse, blue jeans, and a nice belt, a pair of socks, and a pair of shoes. In the summer, I like to wear a skirt with a t-shirt. I never forget my new sandals, a small handbag, and a pair of modern glasses. Oh, I love wearing dresses in summer too. In the winter, I put on my green hat, a blue and red scarf, my coat, or a hoodie with some warm gloves.